shut up. I need to disconnect that battery. Know what I'm saying? Grab that 8 milli so I can disconnect that battery. You do smart. Do this smart. Let's do this smart. Bird. It's raining. Go in the barn. Out here making noise like some kind of moron. Alright. Battery's disconnected. Safety first, or third, wherever you work. Come on, baby. There it is. There it is. Oh, let's see if we can keep fire on the wire harness. There we go. Alright. Look at there, that's a 13, and naturally I left that inside the van. Probably gonna wrap it up here soon. I'm up under my hobo freight carport, but it is cold and raining, and I only dressed to get in the van or work inside the van, not for external of van. But happily, we do have access to this last intake manifold bolt. Yeah, that's average. Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that. There you go. Almost lost an 8mm there. Found a 10mm 20 minutes ago. There's something dead in the road out there. Oh no, that's just a Ford Focus. Oh, look. Hey. Hey. Missed one. Oh, give me a break. Hold that thought. You know, for the longest time, I tried to involve a lot of my friends in this hobby, automotive repair. I met some good people along the way. It's been awesome. Oh, of course. Smaller screwdriver. But I woke up one day and realized some people just ain't got it. They can't deal with the agitation of not being able to fix it like they do on TV, where you just cut to commercial and come back and you don't have any grease on you. And you're cruising the next day. Unfortunately, most car folks know this, hobbyists, because this kind of goes for all of us. Trucks, cars, motorcycles, water equipment. Intake manifolds loose. It doesn't happen in a weekend. And there are several celebrity mechanics, one of which has a saying that says, "Don't get it right, just get it running." I thoroughly agree with that. Doesn't matter what the paint looks like. Doesn't matter what kind of wheels you got on it. Doesn't matter if it's loud. Those are all just bonuses. If it's running and riding, rolling, floating, whatever, you're already winning. Oh, I guess I'll take them 3. See, the cool thing about being able to pull this cylinder head on the driver's side out of the back is I don't have to completely disassemble the power steering and alternator bracket. I can just undo the bolts from the head and slide the head out that direction, because the doghouse is off in the van, which is fantastic. Oh, now we gotta find a missing 15mm. No way. First socket I came to. Yeah, that one's in there. I wonder if that battery's charged up enough that I can. Dinner's on. We're gonna see if the old Milwaukee battery is good. Let's see. Crime in Italy. Look at that. Second socket I found is a 15. That's a half-inch. Is it dead? Dead. I think the actual Milwaukee tool is dead. Oh no, I see. Positive ear is folded over. That's no good, Mr. George. Looks like both of them are kind of folded. I've only had this cordless ratchet for ever and a day now. Huh. Well, I guess she might have just bit the dust. Shout out to Milwaukee Tools. Jeez Louise, it feels like it's gotten colder out here. Alright, I'm undoing these 3 bolts. I think I'm done for the day. Or at least for right now. My face is wind burnt from working this week. A guy like me ain't built for no 15-degree windshield. I'm a thick boy, but I ain't that dang thick. I don't think I could put enough clothes on. That way. It is. Alright folks, stay tuned for whatever round we are on this Chevy Express. We'll see y'all later. Probably later this afternoon I'll get back out here some more, but right now it's raining, it's cold, I'm wearing flip-flops, and I'm ready to sit down, have me a root beer.